If you want to transfer data from your old phone to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then in that case you need to get Smart Switch on your old phone. Unless your old phone is also Samsung Galaxy, then in that case you already have this app. Otherwise you have to go to the Play Store and you need to simply search for this app. So we can write Smart Switch. There we go. And you should be able to find this app. Once you get it, you want to open it, you will need to grant permissions, and then we can press let's go. Now in this case, I have the information that the battery is low, so I need to wait a couple of seconds. Or actually, no, we can proceed, but we cannot have less than 20% of battery, so you have to keep that in mind. Now in this case, we can connect to our old device wirelessly or with a cable. So if you have USB-C cable, then you can use that. In my case, I'm gonna use wireless method, and we need to scan a QR code. Now on our Z Flip 7 or 7 FE, we're gonna go to Smart Switch. We're gonna choose that we want to receive on this phone, and then we're gonna choose Galaxy/Android in this case. Then we're gonna go wireless, and we will get this QR code. So I'm gonna scan it. Let's see if I can actually scan the code. There we go. And now we need to wait for the connection to happen. There we go. We have the connection. Our Z Flip 7 is scanning our old phone. And soon we should be able to choose what we want to transfer. So in this case, we can transfer everything. We can transfer just contacts, calls, and so on and so forth. Or we can go to custom in order to choose what we want to transfer. We can also see what cannot be transferred. Let's go next. And in this case, we can select what we want to transfer. So as you can see, we have a bunch of different things that we can transfer, including apps. I'm just going to transfer images. We can also go into the images in this case, and we can select which images specifically we want to transfer. And once you select everything that you wish to transfer, we can just press transfer button over here. And now we just need to simply wait a couple of seconds. And once it is done, you will see this information on your old device as well as on this one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.